Hello guys, if you look at Friday, there was a up move in both the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Even during the first 30 minutes of today, it looked like there was a up move in both markets, and then immediately market reversed downside. Here in this video, we'll analyze why this happened and how you could have identified it using both market profile and order flow charts. Additionally, we will recap what we discussed in Friday's video and how the market respected our view. Finally, we'll take a look at the key levels for tomorrow. Welcome back to the channel. I am Dilip. Let's start by recapping our view on Bank Nifty first. If you have gone through my Friday's video, I was speaking about Bank Nifty. There is a good possibility it might go for 53,900 levels. So for further any kind of up move, watch for the 54,000 levels to 54,050 levels in futures. And I was also speaking about on Friday's video that on Friday, the up move itself is strongly because of momentum buyers, which happened because of short covering again. So there is a good possibility prices will try to return into this value area to test the momentum buyers. So as the prices opened outside the value area and it tested the value area low, and it tested the Bank Nifty value area high of Friday, and then it closed outside, creating an open test drive. While the price is making higher high, if you look at, there was no passive buyers on left side. So this indicated there is a good possibility prices will return downside to test the buyers whoever are there at the lower level. So despite of a strong delta, their prices tried to come back. Around 53,600 levels, there was good amount of volume clusters and buyers are so weak that it got accepted inside the value area of Friday, which is around 53,560 levels. So if you go back to my Friday's video, I was referring that if prices gets accepted below 53,500 levels, there is a good possibility it will try to cover the whole value area, and the first target will be 53,170 levels and second target will be 52,800 levels, which is near to value area low. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking is that, so there was a clear acceptance inside the value area. As per market profile theory, the whole value area has to be covered in a short span of time. 3 to 4 days generally it might get covered. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking is that watch for again 53,500 levels. This 53,480 to 500 levels itself is good ledge area. So watch for tomorrow. There is a good possibility 53,500 will be revisited with high probability, but then any close below today's low at 53,450 levels, again downtrend might resume towards 53,173, which is the POC and the level I have mentioned on Friday, and the second target will be 52,740 levels. So any close on any 30 minutes above 53,840 levels, I think 53,900 levels, it will definitely get cleared. But for any kind of up move, watch for 54,000 to 54,050 levels for any kind of further up move towards 54,300 levels. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. Now coming to Nifty, guys, what I was speaking on Friday is that there is a good possibility Nifty might go for 24,900 levels, because it is the small value area which has not been covered on Friday, which is around I think it's only 30 points. For any kind of further up move, watch for 24,930 levels. Any clean close above this on any 30 minutes in futures, so there is a good possibility of 25,000 and 25,180 levels I was speaking. So if you look at today, the opening itself is inside the range but outside the value area. This indicates that there are directional traders who opened the market outside the value area, but they are not too strong. These directional traders would have been too strong, it should have opened outside the range. So what you should do, the prices go inside value area and get accepted, or it has to go outside of the range and it should be getting accepted. In third 30 minutes, what happened is the prices got accepted inside the value area by breaking the first 30 minutes low. Why it happened is that if you go to order flow, you have good answer. So if you look at 9.7k, strong selling delta was there, but the candle itself is very green. So this indicated there is a strong divergence, and any higher high, even if the prices would have gone up to 24,880 to 24,900 levels, these sellers whoever have appeared in the initial stages, they will try to reappear and they will push the prices downside. So in price action trading, you will look at there is a breakout here and there is a green candle. So price action traders tries to go long, but it's not very advisable because you have a very strong divergence of 9.7k delta. So this indicates there is a aggressive sellers. So as the prices goes up, these sellers will try to re-enter again, pushing the prices downside, which I also have warned in the Telegram group. For tomorrow, what you should be looking for is that if you look at 24,700, it has to get revisited with a high probability, because this is where the price inefficiency is there, and so there is a good possibility it has to go down to 24,540 levels, which is the area where the gap has been there, and there is another gap around 24,458 levels, and the value area low has to get revisited. Now when it happens, will it happen in a single day or 2 days? That is the question you need to ask. Most of the time it happens in a single day, but very rarely it happens during 2 to 3 days also. So look for close below 24,650 levels for any kind of down move on 30 minutes or 1 hour. So any close below, you will see these targets. For any kind of up move, guys, watch for prices closing above 24,930 levels. This is very much important, and there will be good call writing at 25,000 levels. So try to be very careful. Any close above 24,930, there could be a higher high towards 25,000 levels, but at the same time there will be a strong call rating as we go into weekly expiry. Any close above 25,000, there is a possibility of 25,100 to 25,170 is possibility. Until then, it's going to be a down move. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. This is with Nifty, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.